again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Springfield, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 10 by 10 inch canvas on my turntable and some pillow paint from Walmart that's just white latex color place semi-gloss. I'm hoping I can get this right. I've just done 3 different round canvases, 3 different sizes, and I'm interested in, I'm wondering if I can get this to, maybe that's not enough paint. I'm wondering if I can get it to cover. I'm just getting used to doing this regularly. I am using Prism Pour colors from Colour Arte, and they are amazing. They have a butterfly wing quality that just floats my boat like I cannot even tell you. Alright, so I'm going to use some regular black, if I have any left. And this is the purple, oh boy, I've got them mixed up now. I've got some blue, which I'll look at and see what the color is in a second. It is not blue violet. Maybe it is blue violet. In any case, I will try and help you with the colors if I don't get them right, which I'm not. Water Dragon is next. And I think I'm going to keep this one simple. So I'm just going to use what's left of my pink diamond. I'll have to make some more of that tomorrow. Good thing I bought the 8-ounce size. Alright, I have Aussie Floetrol and Amsterdam Black, Amsterdam White, and I'm thinking I want to try the Amsterdam Black first. And move along. I'm going to wipe off my tool. Use the Amsterdam White next. Blow on it to spread it out a little bit. I am going to use a skewer to change a few things up. And maybe one more pass with a cell activator. Should it be white? Maybe more than one more pass. Maybe maybe I want some of this purple, which is a dioxazine purple from Hobby Lobby. Kind of want some over here. Right here, right here. And then if I want to do any blowing into anything, I should use the straw that doesn't have the plugged end. And then I have to be willing to dump paint off. My dog is enjoying the cold weather. It's 50s, 60s in Florida right now, which is a little unusual. I'm more interested in covering my edge after, if I need to, rather than giving up all the fabulous paint. But I am having a pretty good time watching what's happening. I think this is going to be great, or fantastic. The colors are amazing. A little more white negative space would have been okay with me, but I'm not complaining about what I've got either. I'm going to bring that spiral right back down in, I hope. I like my stripey bits. I like all kinds of stuff. I got a lot of my paint into that container, and I'm pretty happy with all of this. I'm going to wipe off my hands. I am not used to blooms. I'm not capable of being as neat as I would like to be by any stretch of the imagination, and I have yet to look for bubbles, but I'm pretty happy about all of that. And I can take my paint from my dish that I've saved and cover my corners pretty well. Might be some white in there. Whatever else needs to be covered is going to get covered by something else. Oh, I was going to make some green and I didn't do it. I left a container over there. Okay, so I've got a spot that needs some paint and paint to put in a spot. And that's covered. One last little corner. You need to let it slide down like a little curtain in order to get good coverage. But I am really stoked. I really, really, really like that a lot. And I do have some white up here that I need to cover. But I don't want to lose that little bit. So I'm probably going to just cover that right up. With a palette knife. Because I can. The name of my first book next to my second book on the Amazon link. And I have success. I'll let that other paint fall right down over the edge, and then we will be covered and good to go. I don't like pouring away things I like to keep. Obviously, I'm stubborn like that. I love you guys. Simple colors, striking patterns. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I would really appreciate it. I'd like some of that blue right over the edge though. I probably don't need it and I'm being fussy. I also don't need to use it out of a container. I can definitely still use it right out of my dish. And again, making sure not to carry it over the painting. There, now my side matches. That's nice. I'm happy with that. And I missed a spot on my corner. So, you guys need to know that my email address is below the link tree. The link tree is under the video. The link tree contains all my links, such as my Amazon link, my Society 6 link, the Gallerist Clothing Made in Montreal, investment quality, with all of the prints on it. Gorgeous stuff. Well worth checking out. I don't think anybody ever goes there, but if you do, you'll be happy. You'll at least be entertained, I promise. And I've got to add a bunch of stuff there, and I'll post it to my Facebook pages, which you can find also in the link tree. I think this is my favorite way up for you with the spike. I love you guys. I have over 2,300 videos put on playlists of 100 by topic and genre, and I can find whatever I'm looking for, or you're looking for in a heartbeat if you can't find it, by going to my YouTube channel and going to playlists, all playlists, created playlists, Also on my YouTube channel, you will find my community board, which will show you tomorrow's video more often than not. Seriously. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate that. Thank you for the donations that help keep me at YouTube and they keep me painting. Thank you so much. If you'd like to be a contributor through PayPal, the icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and you will automatically be invited to get into the monthly drawing, and you can see the paintings that are up for grabs included at the beginning of the exhibition video that I put on the end screen of this video in the last 20 seconds. My email address is easpb, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com, and should you like to use that for inquiries to purchase an artwork or to get information about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, that would be great. Please share my videos. Thank you for the thumbs up. I really appreciate it when you watch them longer, and if you can watch some commercials, that'd be great. There is a 20% off coupon code at the top of the page, probably above the link tree. The link tree is probably under Show More. And if I can help you guys, just ask me questions. I'll do my best. I'll see you anon. I post 7 days a week. 12:45 right now, 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It changes once in a while, but right now, that's what it is. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I should zoom in a little. Those are some really big cells. I like it. I wish you could see this in real life because the shimmer is the bomb. All right. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.